Hi everyone, and welcome to Highlight Couponers. Today I have this epic, outstanding mega event couponing haul from Kroger. It is unbelievable, these deals right now, and I was able to score really big at Kroger. So just to give you a couple ideas for Ibotta. Not many though, most of this is just old-fashioned using coupons and getting deals. So it was really nice. Now first up, I was shopping for my family. I do a lot of the shopping for my grandparents, my disabled uncle, and for my own household as well. So my uncle has a savings star, so I used his. He's the one who gets the money for that, since he's the one who pays for the stuff. I just thought I'd show you everything and how it all worked out today. So yeah, really great deal, because like I said, I do the grocery shopping for my grandparents and my uncle, and they all partake of the stuff we get. So that's kind of how we do it, but they do pay for some stuff as well. So I just included that. That's why he has his own savings star. Don't want anyone thinking I'm running two savings star accounts for me. He's the one who gets the money for that, those items. So yeah, let's just dive right in. I'm going to go left to right again. Clorox bleach, this was insane, $1.49. I had a $1 off 2 coupon. And for more specific details, check out my other Kroger videos and click the little eye in the top right corner. It will direct you to that. So I made these 99 cents a jug for the bleach, which is epic. Okay, this is the savings star thing. The cinnamon or any General Mills that are included, the family size, they're $1.99. There's a $1 back on 2 savings star and a $1 on 2 coupons. So that makes them 99 cents for the family size. That's really good. So I did it for me and my uncle. And he just really likes these individual bags of chips. So we got him Doritos and Lay's, and he also just wanted these kettle cooked. I don't know why he wants them in the individual bags for these, but that's what he requests. So we get him what he wants. Then I got the kettle chips, and then the Snyder's of Hanover. These are $1.99. I had a 45-cent digital best customer coupon, so it made that a pretty good deal. And in total, I don't have it lined up exactly how I did it mega-wise, but there was 55 mega event items here, so keep that in mind. The Crystal Light, 99 cents, just a really good filler, and I like the ones with the pure. There's no artificial preservatives, sweeteners, anything like that. So, for the moment, I'm trying to cut out and see if I'm allergic to like artificial sweeteners. So I'm trying to just do stevia at the moment, because I've heard, I don't know, like some of those artificial sweeteners don't agree well with people. So I'm just trying. That's why you'll see the Zevia over here instead of my normal, and this Crystal Light with no aspartame or Splenda. So really good. Colgate, $1.99, $2 digital. I did it on mine and then my grandma's. And the Hallmark cards. These are 99 cents, and I had a $2 off of 3 best customer bonus coupons, so it made it $1 for 3. This coffee, really interesting fact. I never noticed this before, because my dad is he is not a couponer, obviously. He is weird about his coffee. He really likes Donut Shop, the actual donut shop made by Keurig. Well, what I never realized before is the Kroger brand is made by Keurig. Like, it's made by Green Mountain, the same as we make Donut Shop. They just slap a Kroger label on it, and it's so much cheaper. So you need to get these. If you like Donut Shop or Green Mountain, this is like the same thing. So I'm going to try to get him to try that. Hopefully he starts liking Kroger brand and realizes it's the same, so we can start buying this, because that is way cheaper. It's $2.99. The hamburger buns were $1, I want to say. And then this was not very good, but I had an Ibotta bonus. $2 back if I did 4. I did 2 of them at Walmart already, so I went ahead and did this. This is $1.49. I had 50-cent Ibotta, so 99 cents. Not the best, but it worked with the bonus. And then the Hellmann's mayonnaise, this one. I had this $1.50 Peely. I used another one that I had from a previous purchase, but now I have another one, so yay. $3.19, $1.50 Peely, and $1.50 Ibotta. Only on this avocado oil, so it made that a really good price. The Barilla Ready pasta, this is $1.50. I had a $1 coupon and a $1 savings star, so a 50-cent moneymaker. The Aunt Jemina meals, these are 99 cents on the mega sale, so that's a good one. And my uncle really likes those, and we like them here too, so there we go. Michelinas, these were just $1. And then the Laura's, this was $6.99. I had a coupon for $1.70 off of 2 best customer, so that was a good deal. This was just a clearance one for $6.79. And this L'Oreal, this is expensive, but my mom she does not buy these things very much, but she likes this cream. And it was $11.99. I had a $2 tear pad, so that's really bad, but she wanted it, and, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Palmolive, 99 cents. I had that 50-cent digital. Yeah. And the Suavitel is $1.99. I had a $1 off coupon. My card, my grandma's card, so 99 cents. And then the Zone Perfect, they are on clearance for $1.75. So that was a really, really good deal after the mega event. And then I got 2 of the almond milks. They are $1.89. Okay, and then I got these tortillas. They were $1.89. I got the Arby's fries and the Checkers Rallies fries. They're $1.49. I had a $1 off coupon, so you can't beat 49 cents. And then the Cooked Perfect, I talked about this on Wednesday. This is insane. They're $1 and had a $1 off coupon, so like straight up free. That was nice. This is bad, but and you see how much I saved on all this? It'll blow your mind. Like, it's crazy. $4.49, and that's all it was. $4.49. And the Kroger purified water, it was $3.34. Had a 50-cent digital. So after everything, this is about $275 worth of merchandise, and I paid $113 with tax for all this stuff. Really good deal. I know that it's not free, but groceries, I'm shopping for 6 people. So when you break that down by 6 people, for all this stuff, that's a really, really good deal. And that includes meat and just all sorts of really good stuff. And then also the Propel is $2.99. I didn't mention that. There was a $1 best customer coupon. And then here's another thing. If you don't like a certain product, but it's free, you still might as well get it and donate it. I'm going to donate these meatballs to the food soup kitchen. They're free. We don't really like them, but I'm going to donate them. So totally free. You might as well go help out someone else, and that'll really be a blessing to them. They're always really, really happy when we bring them food. So yeah, that is my haul, and thank you so much for watching.